You made a great call, at least on Facebook, the last time we had you on, in which you argued that the ad boycott would not impact the quarter, which clearly it did not. We'll see about what July brings. But I just wonder whether it's Facebook or some of these other big valuations we're discussing, you know, the argument's being made that they are large for a reason, given the relative strength of those companies. And do you see it going farther?
I mean, look, big tech is quite unstoppable. We saw that this week when the government hauled them all in for questioning and couldn't land a punch. And, you know, COVID has accelerated big tech, I think, more than any of us expected. If you think about all their major businesses, from social networking to cloud to e-commerce, these are all big beneficiaries of COVID. And I don't see it slowing down. The only thing that slows these companies down is true disruptors, competitors like TikTok in the case of social media, or kind of hard to find one in the case of e-commerce for Amazon, maybe Shopify, I suppose. But I just, you know, more and more power keeps accruing to big tech, and I see it continuing to grow.
Do you think they have successfully avoided a China trap, in that, in other words, something that would have derailed their model if, in fact, relations between China and the U.S. continue to get worse?
Yeah, I mean, most of them wish they had a big China business. I mean, Microsoft's really the only one with a big China business. But by avoiding a China business, they've stayed out of the crosshairs. And the antitrust arguments against each of these companies, they're all quite different. It was interesting to see them all kind of present together in front of the House, but the issues are all quite different, and some of them are more serious than others. As I say, I don't think that I don't think anything is going to come from the government investigation into these big tech companies. The thing I think is most concerning is Google and Amazon changing their sort order to benefit their own properties, as compared with the marketplace participants. And clearly in Europe, Google has gotten in quite a bit of trouble changing sort order to advantage their own properties. But I mean, I think if you want to disrupt these big tech companies, launch a competitor or fund a competitor, be a VC, be an angel investor, or be an entrepreneur and a founder and start somebody to try to disrupt them.